The number of grid line in x direction is 5. And in along y direction is 4. Distance is spacing is 5 along x and along y. Grid, okay. Now we will edit the grid, modified so, and here is first story from base 4.2 meter. Next is 3.2, 3.2, 3.2. Here is total elevation is 13.8. Okay. Select all story. Now assign the beam. Draw quick beam. Now assign the column. Now next is assign the slab. Now we will delete the slab on the base. Only slab for first, second and third and fourth. Now we will assign the load. First is dead load. We select the all story. Dead. Go to assign. Shell load uniform. For dead is 12 kN for flow. live. Now second assign shall load uniform live. Live is 4 kilometer is given. Live. Okay. Now for roof, story 4 is roof. Now there is no live load, only the dead load. Take one story here, and from top we'll remove the live load. Delete this. Now the dead load acting on this on roof only is 10 kN per meter square. Now we will replace the load by 10. Here we can see by clicking here load only 10 kN, and in third story 12 kN and 1 kN. Second same load. First story same load. Now we will define the load pattern. Here in this problem there is no size of beam and column is given, only the live load and dead load lump weight is given only. So here for dead load the self weight of dead is 0 and modified it. Now we will analyze the static load method. So we will take the earthquake and along x direction. Type is seismic IS 1893. Here is IS 1893 2002. And new load along y direction also. And new modified it. So we'll take direction x direction. Base bottom story, top story is 4. Reduction factor is 5. Per code according to is 0.36. Soil type is second. Importance factor is 1. User defined T. T I used here. The value of T along the x direction is 0.28. Define the T value. Okay. Modified it along y direction only. User defined value along 0.32. Okay. Now next is mention mass sources. Modified load pattern. Take dead load, live load only. I have taken here 50%, means here only 50% of live load is mentioned on the floor. So here is 0.5. Okay. Now we'll analyze the model. Save first this model. Story. After run, then go to display, show table, model, load, auto seismic. Now we'll validate the result whether it is same or not. Here the weight used is 15600 and base share is 1404 along x and y direction. Both x and y direction is same. (1404). Now we'll check lateral forces acting on each story. Go to display, story response plot, auto lateral load along x and same format. Now here we can see 13.8 location is top, fourth story value is 595.3, 491.6. Same is it. Okay friends, next tutorial we will analyze next question and new problem, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.